recording.
Now I'm on.
Yes,
okay.
you are.
All right. Okay, Brittany.
Yes, her microphone
Show
is on.
us.
Okay, so we are doing a peacock. And this was my original design, but I have already gone on Amazon and reordered different things because I didn't like it. So now.
But then I'll show your other side.
Oh yes, my other side, which is hefty, is sequins, and I'm gonna put glitter in there so that it covers up all of the tan. And it's gonna be very glittery, sparkly.
And then what are you cutting? What are you cutting? Is that for petals?
No, I am going to take Eliza's second bra and yes, well I am. It's too late, Liza. And I'm going to put a whole bunch of flowers on there.
Nice.
Yeah. Make it a nice little
Cute.
flower bouquet.
All right. Perfect. We're going to come on down the table. We've got chaos here. Oh, no, wait. This is the twins.
It took my whole morning.
All right, well, we know we all have
eyeballs.
the girls. So I'm thinking about making some girls here and probably have some kind of fancy skirts or dresses or something, and they're performers because they like to be the center of attention sometimes. Mine do anyway. So these are my girls. Gonna make them musical. I'm gonna find something to go with them, but my twins are taking shape.
We have Tracy. Where the sun is just coming in down here.
It is.
And, so Tracy, tell us your thought process, what's happening here.
It's just evolving as we stitch, okay? So we're thinking steampunk. So we're gonna go with a little bit of, lovely and a little bit of tough. So
Tough and lovely.
tough and lovely. We don't know
Strength and beauty.
Yes.
We don't know what's happening, but something is gonna happen.
Something's gonna happen.
Tracy was smart enough to make herself a little paper mache bust. Here, we're all like
We're gonna bust
jealous
out all of us.
that.
We can all do
That's
this.
right. She has all kinds of things down here. Okay, we're gonna come over. Let's visit Sarah. Sarah, all of your glitter and okay, so tell
Are we coming
us.
together?
Yes, we
got-
have a couple of ghostesses, it seems like, so tell us.
So they're little boobies.
They're boobies!
So we're gonna fight for the boobies.
You had some, where's your, little boxing gloves. Yeah, fighting boobies.
Fight for our boobies.
Ah, I love it. So, and Carolyn, who is...
Hi.
Yes, always.
So I did no more breast cancer.
Hi.
And the reason why we have a man and a woman is because we all know that men can also get breast cancer.
Absolutely.
So no to breast cancer for
Yay.
either sex.
I just can't believe that that's like a bra, but it is.
It is a bra.
It's
Yep.
a bra. There it is. I don't know if you can wear it, but it is. No one has to model it.
That's right.
All right, let's come over here. And Sabrina.
Oh.
Sabrina, our crafting goddess.
Oh, no.
She is. She always says that. What she always comes up with is always the best.
No.
And I don't even know what's happening, but that's
Yeah,
fantastic.
I don't either.
That's fantastic. So it's going to be a fish?
Yes.
So that's right. So this was her inspiration piece, right?
Yes.
Is this floppy
Tube
fish?
sock.
Yeah.
And it's going to be flop it on up there. Get your mammogram.
Get your mammogram. That's right. Brianna doesn't understand the flopping yet, but and then don't you? Even
I'm the oldest one here, so yes, they do flop. Anyway.
All right. We'll come back to. All right, Brianna.
All right,
Let's
so
see.
I am a ruffling.
Ruffling.
My bra is over here, hiding behind Mom's.
Hiding behind Mom's.
But so I was late to the party, but this is what I got so far. I didn't know if it was gonna work, so now I'm trying to replicate the other side, and I didn't take notes.
And you're kind of doing like a...
Hopefully wearable, so if someone is like a rave girl or wants to do something special for the man in their life or woman in their life or whatever,
Yeah.
you can wear it.
You're gonna need to have a bigger size, though.
Well,
I
it
mean,
definitely won't fit me, so someone else is gonna have to buy it and love
what
it.
size is it?
It is. Let's see. This I left the tag on it.
It's probably a 36. Is it a 36?
Oh, there it is. It is a 36C.
Oh, 36. See, that's why
But
fairly.
there is padding in there, which I will.
You know,
my
I have
girls
to say, for somebody who's going to wear it to a rave and show it off, they're probably going to be a 36C size, right? I mean, come on.
So let's see.
be real.
So I'm
Who's gonna wear
hoping that mine's gonna be wearable and comfortable and yeah, something that you might want to wear or
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
So
All right. Well, we're
yes.
standing here by mine. Let's talk about mine. Mine is still a work in progress, and I'm not exactly sure, but basically, it's the idea of bringing all of our warriors, you know, together so that we can celebrate strength and be all of these things. You know, dance like no one is watching, love with all of your heart, sing for all to hear, fight without fear, and being strong and capable. So I'm going to have some printed stuff on here to talk about all of our things that we do as we channel our warrior and get through this. So that's mine. And then let's, without being dizzy, we're out here. Let's come over. And Miss Eliza, she is busy working on a pattern for her mermaid tail. She's going to make a mermaid. Is what she's gonna do.
And then little roses on the tips.
And roses. Fantastic. All right, so that's it. We're just gonna keep working out here. We'll kind of keep showing you guys the progress as we work on them. And let's see, the auction is 29th. What date did we decide? 27th. 27th. Wednesday, the 27th, 4 o'clock in the afternoon Pacific time. So hopefully you'll be able to see these a little bit sooner before then.
Yeah.
But, and then you'll hear the stories about who it is that we're doing our benefit for.
Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.
That's awesome.